Morelli Hydrating Booster is an oil-free, potent treatment for all skin types, especially those with dry and dehydrated skin. It's formulated with 3 molecular weights of hyaluronic acid to deliver hydration to various depths of the skin. It also contains vitamin B5 to help support the skin's moisture content and aloe and green tea to help calm inflammation in the skin. Hyaluronic acid is able to hold up to 1,000 times its molecular weight in water. This serum contains 3 weights of hyaluronic acid that penetrate the skin at all levels and binds moisture to skin cells. Panthenol, or vitamin B5, helps keep the skin soft and healthy. It hydrates by attracting and holding moisture in the skin. Aloe is an anti-inflammatory ingredient that hydrates and soothes irritated skin. Green tea is an antioxidant-rich ingredient that also helps to repair and calm inflamed skin. This product can be easily integrated into anyone's daily skin routine. It can be used morning or night or mixed directly with your moisturizer. The result is increased hydration, improved skin smoothness, reduced inflammation, and healthier, more supple skin.